welcome back. I'm Dom.
Max.
Today we are going to show you guys our curly hair wash day routine. Wash day's pretty long for us. As you can see, it's about time. It's been a while. Max smells horrendous right now.
Whoa.
As y'all know,
every dog has to shower.
Yeah, today's gonna be that day because it's wash day. And we're also gonna make sure that Max scrubs extra hard. Can you not wind me against your armpits? Did you put on deodorant today?
I mean, yeah, I'm just a man. That's what men smell like.
Yeah, he smells
That right, man.
extra concentrated today.
So these are the products that we'll be using today. We have our Shea Butter Shampoo made by Lush. The reason why we like this one is because it doesn't strip your hair all the way, and what it does strip, it replenishes on its own. Then after that, we like to do a deep conditioning. So we start off with our deep treatment by Shea Moisture. It's a mask, works really great in curly hair. After, we spray in some of our concoction. Max makes this. It's aloe vera and jojoba oil. It works also really good for curly hair. And then last but not least, I like to add in some argan oil. And then I let my hair sit for an hour. This is how we let the time pass as we let our hair just kind of sit, collect heat, and deep condition.
Balance.
This is the face of a loser. I'm always peach because I'm the best.
This was my N64. I would be Tokyo drifting everywhere.
You gotta make sure you press go at the right time.
Son of a...
I don't know, man. I'm
What?
kind of... Honestly, can I stand up? Because,
No.
that's when I
You see
feel
our reaction.
best. Can you get off me?
Buddy's on.
shell hits you.
Nope, can't touch greatness.
Can you like not touch me?
You can't touch this. You
know what, I'm gonna stand up.
All the perfect turns. Just to get away, because I know you're trying to cheat me.
Dude.
If?
I think it's time to rinse our hair out.
If? I'm the best.
Get off of me.
I'm the best.
Get off of me. I'm up there too.
Princess. I'm a princess. I'm number one.
That's my trophy.
I'm number one. I'm number one.
Taylor Swift didn't deserve that.
I'd say I don't usually shampoo my hair that often, so when I found out when I was shampooing it, I was like, I rinsed it all out and my hair was so squeaky and like, ooh, I don't really like that, but it was really clean, squeaky clean. Then I used the deep conditioner, and I feel like my curls are really there. I always rinse it out, the conditioner, but I'd say my hair is really soft. It smells. Usually it hangs down to here, so it's got the volume and the bounce and stuff. I like it overall. I put a little bit of the jojoba oil and aloe vera spray just to give it a little more condition after, because I rinse it out. But overall, I give it like a 7, 8 out of 10.
He's a tough critic.
My curls are banging, so I like it.
So this is my normal wash routine, so of course I give it a 10 out of 10. Like I said, I really like the shampoo bar because it doesn't strip my natural oils too much in my hair. It's still, I didn't brush my hair, but it's still not, knotted together. And then also the deep conditioner just kind of brings my hair back to life. For me, like shampooing my hair just literally makes it so dry. So that's why I always make sure I do like a deep conditioner and I let it sit to kind of get my hair back to its normal before, getting back into my normal daily routine. But yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. My hair turned out really nice. I still got my curls. I love it. I think he loves it too. All right, guys. Well,
off to bed.
Thank you so much for watching our channel. Like Max said, comment your hair routine, your wash day, what you do. We're curious, we want to make changes to ours. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great day.